Why, hello there. My name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. This primer was recommended to me by Amazon. I've never seen it available at Ulta or anything like that, so I thought I would try it out today and share my experience with you guys. So on Amazon it says Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer base, prevent oily lids and creasing, clear waterproof eyeshadow primer for all shadows, paraben free and cruelty free. This is 0.35 ounces and it retails for $13.48. I don't know about you, but I have the absolute oiliest eyelids ever, and I have a problem with my eyeshadows lasting all day. So if this does what it claims to do, I'm gonna be very happy in using this pretty often. Alright, so my face is on and all I have to do now is do my eyeshadow. So it comes in a little container like this. It's very thick, has like a peachy tint to it, a light pink tint. Excuse me, hopefully this won't leave like creases in my eyes or anything like that. I'm just applying this with my finger. Okay, so I have the primer on. I don't know if I would recommend putting it on after you put on foundation because it looks weird. It looks patchy. For today, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. This palette works very well. It blends out very easily. It's super pigmented. I've used this many of times, so let's see how it looks with the primer. I did do a review of this palette in one of my previous videos. I'll leave that in the description box down below if you're interested. So that went on super easily. So it's definitely making my eyeshadow look more vibrant and I'm living for it. Alright y'all, I am back and the face is snatched. So my eyeshadow looks very vibrant. It doesn't really look patchy at all. I would say this is a pretty good primer. The primer went on my eyes a little patchy because I had foundation on my eyes already. So I was a little worried it wouldn't work, but it looks pretty good. Alright guys, so it's been approximately 8 hours and this is how my eyeshadow is looking. I see absolutely no creasing. My eyeshadow still looks as vibrant the second I put it on, and to be honest, I am really amazed by it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye. What are you doing? No. Don't you dare. No. No, 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 no. No, ma'am. So